Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Erkuter Pratama, Body Accountancy in Medferns.
Maulana Indonesia dari Prodi Pendidikan Ekonomi.
We are reading conversation units 9 for was English basic. And judul, why did you do it? Okay, and conversation Gigail. Where do you born in Banten, Yusuf?
Yes, I was born in Banten, mother of faith.
Oh, where do you?
Yeah, I grew up in the Banten in Wilmette, and then I moved out here when I was 14.
So, you went to high school here?
Yeah, that's right. I graduated from Lincoln Hague.
And then you went to college?
No, not exactly. First, I went to Serang.
Ah, to forever?
Well, yes, and I also lived in Munich for a while.
When was that?
Let's see now. That was about 11 years age. Yeah, in 1973.
And how long did you stay there?
For almost 2 years.
And what did you do then? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. And don't forget like, subscribe in my channel. Bye bye.